Hi guys, welcome to Super Science. Some more important fact about the birds. Do you know what gave inspiration to humans to invent the aeroplane? If you are given a pair of wings, will you be able to fly? Why or why not? Think about this. Some features of the birds that help it to fly. First one, boat-shaped body, streamlined body. Second is hollow bones and feathers. Third one, have a pair of wings and a tail. Fourth one is flight muscles to move its wings. Can you identify the parts of the bird? Now explain how birds fly. List the different types of feathers and explain the function of different types of feathers. How do birds fly? A bird lifts its body up in the air by flapping the wings. There are two ways by which birds move their wings. First one, downstroke. Wings move downwards and forward. Second one, upstroke. Wings move upward and backward. Flightless birds. There are some birds that cannot fly. For example, ostrich, emu, kiwi and penguin. There are types of feathers. Feathers help birds to fly and also protect the body. Birds have three types of feathers: flight feather, down feathers and body feathers. Now see the functions of different types of feathers. Down feathers are soft and short feathers. Down feathers lie next to bird's skin. Down feathers help to keep bird's body warm. Second is body feather. Body feather gives shape to bird's body, cover the whole body. Flight feathers. Flight feathers are on wings and tail. Help to fly and to change direction while flying. Some task for you. Match the column and select the correct option. There is a column and some options. Match the columns and write in comments box. Beaks. Only birds have beaks. They do not have forelimbs. Beaks help the birds to catch their food and eat it. Beaks also used for picking things and to transfer food into the mouth of their young ones. Look at the beaks of some birds shown below and answer the following questions. You can see different type of birds and their beaks. Do all birds have the same type of beaks? Why do you think so? How can you justify your answer? Give the answer in the comment box. Now we see types of beaks. Short and hard beak. Crush the grains and seeds. You can see the picture of birds who has short and hard beaks: peacock, pigeon and sparrow. And curved beak helps to crack nuts and hard fruits. For example, parrot. Strong, sharp and hooked beaks to tear the flesh of their prey. For example, vulture, eagle and hawk. Fourth one, strong and chisel-shaped beak. To drill holes in the tree trunks for making their nest and to pull out insects. For example, woodpecker. Fifth one, broad and flat beak. Helps to eat worms and small plants inside muddy water. For example, duck and swan. Next is spoon-shaped beak. Helps to gather tadpoles and insects from water. For example, spoonbill. Now, feet and claws. Different birds have different types of feet and claw. Help to catch food, protect themselves and to sit on tree branches. Birds have 2 legs and 4 toes on each foot. Each toe is curved and claw is pointed at its end. You can see in the picture. Now see types of claws. First one, flesh-eating birds have strong and sharp claws called talons, help to hold their prey between their talons while flying. For example, eagle. Perching birds have 3 toes in front and 1 toe in back for holding branches. This is called perching. For example, crow, myna, etc. Scratching birds. Hard and sharp claws help to scratch and dig the ground and pull out insects and worms. For example, hen. Swimming birds. Webbed feet, web of skin between the 3 front toes acts like oar and help the birds to swim. For example, duck. Wading birds. Long and thin legs prevent the bird from sinking into the muddy water, helps to walk through the water in search of food. Climbing birds. 2 toes that point forwards and 2 toes that point backwards help to climb trees. In the column given below, match the birds with the type of claws. You can see the option. Which option is the correct one? Write in the comment box.